This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, November 21st. Stock index futures were higher in the overnight trade, but quickly came under some pressure. This after the big surprise in the November Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index coming in at a negative 5.5 when positive 7 was anticipated. Also, the October leading indicators report was a little weaker than expected. This was offset by the October existing home sales report, which was slightly stronger than anticipated. So even though we're a little lower this morning, still looks like the longer term fundamentals and technicals are supportive to stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the US dollar index coming under some mild pressure with the weaker than anticipated Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. I think from here, though, we will see somewhat of a recovery in the dollar index as the fundamentals and the technicals remain supportive. Also, it appears that the fundamentals and technicals remain bearish for the euro currency. There was a report that the number of insolvencies in Germany increased 22.9% in October from the previous year, and this puts additional pressure on the European Central Bank to more aggressively cut interest rates than the U.S. Federal Reserve. And I think this is a recipe for dollar strength and weakness in the euro currency. And in the interest rate futures markets, futures firming to some degree with the Philadelphia Fed Index when that was reported. Still looks like the Fed is on track to lower interest rates by 25 basis points at its December 18th policy meeting, although the probability of a rate cut has diminished lately, with now only a 56% chance of the Fed cutting by 25 basis points at the December meeting, 44% probability of no change. And it still looks like, in my opinion, the Fed will be more slowly moving to accommodation than the consensus view. So of all of these financial markets, the fundamentals seem to be most clearly aligned to the long side of the dollar index and to the short side of the euro currency. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMAS or ADM.